I think the Baron's gone. I don't think it's supposed to move like that. Alright, welcome back to part 4 of the YZ250F build. This is where I'm at right now. You guys just saw the recap. So I pulled the motor out off camera. I didn't record that because it's kind of simple, just nuts and bolts. And anyways, the motor's out. I just got done washing the wheels and stuff because I didn't get a chance to wash it after I purchased it. I probably should have, but I didn't. Now that the motor's not in it, I don't have to worry about getting any water in it or anything like that. So I washed it up. And this is where we stand right now. So I'll bring you inside and show you the motor. So here's the motor. It's on the bench. And at this point, I think what we're going to do is we're going to pull it apart. I already got the head off. I took the head off because it was just easier to get it out of the bike, the motor out of the bike, and I think I already have a video of taking the head off, or at least putting it on. So I will record the complete assembly of this motor. So I'm going to do the disassembly and the reassembly, and it's going to be a standalone video. And the reason why it's going to be standalone is because I noticed that most of the videos that I post, the standalone repair videos for specific things, seem to get the most views. So I'm going to do that with this one, and I think that it'll just get more views in general. So that's the plan. We're going to tear this thing down, split the case. We're going to replace the Baron, the seal, and hopefully the rest of the transmission's okay. I won't know until I pull it apart. So I guess at this point we'll set you up in a stand and we'll get going on this thing. Alright, we got the cases split, and looking around here, just want to check for damage on the gears or anything. I don't see any. The shaft looks pretty good. See anything down in there? So I'm not really sure what's going on here. I mean, there's some, I don't know if you can see that there. There's some stuff stuck in the screen, but nothing bad. One thing I noticed for sure is this ball bearing's missing out of this thing, and there's metal missing, but I don't see it anywhere inside the engine here. So I'm really not sure what's going on, where those possibly could have gone. Maybe they went out through the oil change and I didn't see them. That's possible, but I'm not 100% sure. So anyway, let's work on getting that Baron out of there. It's been a long day. We're working on this for probably, I don't know, 3 hours now. I got the motor back in the bike. I didn't record a lot of it because it's in previous videos. I've done a lot of videos on the motor, rebuilding this motor already. So if you wanted to see all the finer details of it, you can go back and see those videos. They're on my channel. I got the chain back on. The rattle here is gone, nice and tight now. New seals in there. We should be good to go. I'm gonna get some motor oil tomorrow on the way home from work, fill this thing up, make sure it doesn't leak through the cases, which I don't think it will, because I did a pretty good job cleaning it up. I'll pick this back up tomorrow night, and we'll get this thing running. All right, it's the next day, and we're gonna finish this thing up. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna fill the crankcase full of oil, and while I'm assembling the top end, that way I can see if there's any leaks. Before I get too much further into it, I just want to make sure that the caves halves sealed properly and I don't have any leaks. So I'm going to do that now. All right, crankcase is full of oil. I have a rag underneath here just so I can spot any drips. And I'm going to install the cams now. I'm going to do that off camera. Again, all this stuff is in previous videos because I've worked on this bike multiple times already. Top end's all together, everything's in there. I want to kick it over a few times just to see how it feels. Make sure everything's all right. I cranked it around, timing stayed right on. All right, everything's back on. I got the pipe on, radiator's on. I don't see anything dripping. Everything looks good. Got oil in the crankcase. Let's see what you got. I'm gonna give it 3 cranks. Throttle. I don't know if I should choke, but I'm gonna anyway. Try choking it. See what happens. Choke off. Whoop. We had something. Alright, it's good enough for now. I'll let it cool down for a minute and we'll check all the fluids. Make sure it's full of oil. Make sure we don't have any leaks. I think it's looking good. At this point now, I'm going to throw all the plastics on it. Bike's all together. It's running good. We're going to go take it for a ride right now. And I don't usually video first rides on things that I rebuild, but I'm definitely going to video this. And bring an EX400 and the Warrior 350 as well. So let's go have some fun. Just got back. The bike is super fast, and it's a lot of fun to ride. I didn't ride it very long. It's not legally registered, and the game warden was about, so I didn't want to get pinched for driving unregistered and pay fines and all that. So I only rode it real quick, and the video is coming up now. Anyways, enjoy.